Community impact projects partner Aparo's corporate volunteers with nonprofits in need of business and technology solutions. Together, we can make a difference.
Charlotte Family Housing mission is to move homeless families to self-sufficiency.
This project will help us address our clients' needs primarily by us having to spend less time on managing paper and information and more time focusing on their needs.
They're so passionate about what they do, and they're so involved in each of these families' lives. So working with them gave me a better understanding of exactly what it is that they do, the impact they have on the community, and also how hard these people work to keep the nonprofit going and keep these families top of mind.
Giving back to the community is part of JVN's corporate DNA, but we find it even more impactful to work through Aparo because that ongoing relationship that Aparo provides with the nonprofit.
Patriots Path's mission is really to provide support to military personnel who are in career transition. The goal of the project was really to allow Patriots Path more visibility, more time efficiency, more connectivity to our students and to our volunteers and community supporters.
Recruiting Pete and Ryan for the CIP was fairly easy. Certainly we had to get over the initial, what is a CIP, what is Aparo, who is Patriots Path. That was pretty easy. The main apprehension came with, do I have enough time in my workday to do this an additional piece of work as well? After the initial conversation with Patriots Path, the initial scope, certainly they became energized with the challenge, and they realized they could fit it into the day-to-day, they were off and running.
When we wrapped up our discussion, showed her the tool, and we trained her on what she needed to do and went over any follow-up items, and I extended my hand to give her a handshake, and she said, I feel like I need to give you a hug. And I said, hey, why not? But I thought that hug, after we embraced, I thought about that hug and I thought, wow, that was really impactful, because I really feel as if we not only found a solution to a problem, but we built that relationship. And to me personally, I think that's just as important as finding the solution to the tool itself.
The mission of Alexander Youth Network is to provide high-quality treatment to children who have serious emotional and behavioral health issues. Frankly, we want to know what we're doing is working, and so we can do more of the things that work and give kids the right care at the right time and the right amount, and less of the things that don't work. So we want to be an informed kind of provider.
We like to be involved in an organization that has a huge impact on the community.
And this was a great venue because it took advantage of some skills that I had had previously, and it gave me a chance to sharpen them kind of in a different context.
It was actually harder to scale this team down to size than it was to scale it up to size.
This opportunity to work with Skookum to develop this technology is so much in keeping with how we view how we provide services. So the fact that we were able to partner with them and develop this shuttle module that allows our clients to access appointments online through our website, and then there's a second component which is going to allow us to do admit and discharge at the site that the shuttle stops are going to be, is allowing us to provide services at the highest level.
It really gave me the opportunity to work with a small organization and understand what their values are. I think a lot of times it's easy to think of software as this very impersonal thing that you kind of get the specs and then you build it and then you kind of hand it off. But having Spay Neuter be such a part of the community, it's great to see that, well, we're building a piece of software and now it's actually going to impact a group of people, in the next couple of weeks.
Aparo gives you an opportunity to work with an already vetted nonprofit who has a problem that we know is impactful to their business and they want to solve. A lot of times it's finding those opportunities where we feel like our skills can make an impact. And Aparo is able to work with us to bring us an opportunity where we really can do that from day one, is apply our process and our people directly towards a problem that we know will move the needle and provide value to our neighbors.
Community impact projects. One IT solution, 1,000 served.